Hi everyone, welcome to Krithi Car Care, and today we have a brand new white color XUV700. On this car, we are going to use COVRGARD, PPF and Sunfilm. To start with, we do decontamination, claying and polishing of the car. This ensures that the contaminant sitting on the car is completely removed, and post that we apply the PPF. Why one does PPF on the car is basically to ensure that they are protecting the factory paint, and it is advisable to do PPF at the start when you have a brand new car. This will prevent from having a swirl marks, stone hits or scratches on the car. As you can see in this white color XUV700, we are using COVRGARD PPF, and the benefit of having a COVRGARD PPF is that it will ensure it prevents from swirls on the painted area, as well as it acts as a sacrificial layer for the day-to-day damage that occurs. When it comes to yellowing or discoloration, you do not have to worry with COVRGARD PPF, and this can be applied on white cars. It also has a good optical clarity, which provides an exceptional gloss level. The flip side of PPF, especially in Indian market, is that the good quality PPF will be a little expensive, and the market is actually flooded with a lot of cheap PPF which will cost you somewhere around 50 to 90k for the entire car. The cheap PPF will definitely damage the car in the long run. With COVRGARD PPF, one will have peace of mind when it comes to warranty coverage. Nowadays, there is a trend that detailers are doing a tie-up with dealership or a sales rep where they get kickbacks or called as commission from the detailers. Invariably, customer is paying a higher amount of money for a very low or a cheap quality PPF, considering the margin and the kickbacks which are baked in the pricing. This becomes a concern in the long run where the warranty is not given by a dealership or a sales rep, and at times there are instances where the customer doesn't even know who is the detailer who have installed the PPF on the car. Hence, it is important that customers do a thorough research as to what kind of a PPF is going on the car, because these PPF are going to stay on the car for the long term, and it will definitely impact the aesthetics of the car. So this is how the car looks now after PPF and Sunfilm. Hope you like the video and do a thorough research and opt for high quality aliphatic TPU, and that is exactly what COVRGARD provides at value for money. Do watch our videos, like, share and subscribe. With COVRGARD, we have got you covered.